this video is required for you to watch. You take a little quiz saying you watched it. This is for your education. As you know, we've gone from 12 weeks of school down to 6 weeks. We want you to be ready educationally, but some things we didn't have time for. And I want you to be aware of the graphs of secant and cosecant. I'm going to go to mode, and I'm going to be choosing to do this in degrees today, so that is set up. I'm going to y equals, my plot is on, that's darkened in, that's because I was doing stats in stat class. You go up there, you hit enter, you come back down, cool. Well, I'm going to go y equals the sine of x. I'm going to go to zoom trig, which is number 7. If it goes down there for me, there it goes, zoom 7. And there is our sine graph. We've done that a lot, 90, 180, you can see them going over. Now you will notice here there is no cosecant. There is no cosecant button at all. Well, cosecant is the same as 1 over sine. So I'm going to come over, second graph being red, and I'm going to go 1 divided by the sine of x. And this is going to give me the cosecant graph. And you will see as it shows up, it is just the reciprocal. If you would think of, right at this point, this is 1. Well, 1 divided by 1 is 1. That's why they share the same point. Right about here, that would be over about a half. A half divided by, when half is reciprocal, it becomes 2. You can see that. And then here, these are not drawn in. However, right along here are asymptotes. Right along here, these versions of the graph do not try to show the asymptotes. And what happens is if you'd look right here, we are at the point 0, which is 0 over 1. And when we go ahead with that 0 over 1 and take the reciprocal, it becomes undefined. And that's why this graph of cosecant has asymptotes there. Your secant graph is simply the reciprocal of the cosine graph. You've been made aware of it. Had we had all the time that we usually had, we would have done a week's worth of this, but this is for your awareness. Thank you.